Hey y'all, Country Cuz here. So today is review day. I'm excited about this video because I love doing reviews. So my earlier videos on whatever with Country Cuz, well, it used to be fixing with Country Cuz and I really didn't fix nothing. So I changed it to whatever because I do whatever. I like doing reviews, I like doing four-wheel drive videos, I like doing anything really. Sucking on the devil's toe. I sucked on it for 5 minutes and I did it. I did the challenge. Awesome. So anyway, my earlier videos, I used stupid things to really video and hold my camera. I've used a cup. I'm actually using a cup right now on a hand truck to give it the right level and everything. So I've also used, I have a Star Wars drone, and this is perfect, and well, it's made for cell phones to where you can, you know, drive your drone and all that. Well, I use it for video, or I did use it. It's very hard to set up to where it didn't fall over and make me look like a doofus. I do that on my own. Sorry, Country Cuz trying to turn over a new leaf and not drink no more, because, well, as you know, drinking's a depressant. So I've gone to drinking energy drinks. That's all I drink, full throttle energy drinks. Anyway, this video is about this vlogging kit that I found at Walmart. It's a really good entry-level tripod and handheld unit for holding your camera. It's a Go Viral vlogging kit from Digi. And I've already used this a couple times, but I'm going to open it up. And of course, you can hear it's raining. Can't really control the weather, but hopefully that won't change you viewing my video. You know, Mother Nature. Alright, so you open this and you look at it, and that's the pistol grip, and you can open it up to where you can put a GoPro camera on there. It's got a non-slip grip right here, or you can open it up and it becomes a tripod. So when I first opened this thing, I was moving it. Well, I can't move it now, but well, of course I'm gonna break it now, but earlier I was moving it not knowing how to get it to move, and on the directions it says push the knob or turn the knob to get this to move. Well, I don't know if you can see it, there's no real knob on there. I thought, you know, something to turn. Well, you push on both sides of this mechanism and then it moves freely. It's really nice as it moves. And I'm not just spitting in the floor, as every good country boy has a spittoon sitting by. Okay, it came with this 50 LED light. It's very, very bright. It's got 3 settings. 1, 2, 3, and then you hold it and it goes off. It came with a USB charger, so you plug it in and then you stick it in any cell phone charging block with the USB port. And it don't take long to charge. It also came with filters. It came with a white one, which is clear, of course, I guess, a red one, and a blue one. And I have found out that the white one works really well to keep from blinding you when you have the light on. It's still really bright, but it sure does help to eliminate the glare. Okay, so it also came with a cell phone holder, which I use. I put it on here. It's got this knob on the bottom. You turn it, turn it, turn it until it goes in there and it's tight. So now I can take my cell phone. Hey y'all, Country Cuz here in the great state of Alabama, shooting videos for your pleasure. So it came with this little mechanism that you put on the flash. Oops. You put on the flash, and then it's got a knob to where you can tighten it on there really good. And then on the top of the cell phone holder, it's got a handy little slide thing. You tighten it down. You gotta watch when you're tightening, because you'll loosen the top one and tighten the bottom one. But for an entry-level kit, it's great. Hey y'all, see, now I can go out and shoot videos in the woods at night because I got a light, or if I want to, which I have used, it's a handy tripod. Set on a table or a box or, you know, whatever. Like I said, I'm really impressed. This vlogging kit, I think it's an As Seen on TV deal, because it was over there in the As Seen on TV stuff. This was a $19.95 kit. It's $20, $21 probably with tax. It came with everything I just showed you. Now they had a $50 one, which I really wish I could have got, but at the time I didn't really have the money to do it. So I'm on Patreon. You know, if y'all want to donate to the cause, then I can get the $50 kit. It came with a pinpoint microphone, came with a light, the tripod, the cell phone holder, and it also came with a remote. So while I'm standing here waiting to say something on my videos, because I have to edit my own videos and it's kind of tough if you don't know what you're doing, I can just stand here on the ready and go click, hey, here I am. So if y'all like this video, which I hope you do, I hope I'm talking loud enough to get over the rain on the metal roof. Y'all give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next time I upload a video on whatever we're cutting to cuss, you'll be notified. Thanks, guys.